Alright, good morning everyone. I'm about to enter my fourth new state of this trip. In case you didn't see that, that was Montana. It looks an awful lot like Wyoming. So we're in Crow country. We just entered an Indian reservation. And also, in case you were wondering, do not transport invasive species. Let's see, today has been an interesting day so far. It has been a very wildlife-y day. Over the past day and a half, I have seen 202 antelope, which averages out to something like 2 miles per antelope, or 1 antelope per 2 miles. And I also saw a badger, which equals out to 1 badger per every 2,200 miles. Today's destination I'm really excited about. I'm going panning for sapphires on the Montana-Idaho border. So I have about maybe 5.5 hours or so of driving left today. And I'm going to get a hotel in Butte. Let's see what else. Wyoming was kind of an interesting state. I don't really know what to think about it. I was able to get Borzon, which I cannot get in Willard. But it's just sort of, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just a bizarre place. And I think that's about all I have right now. I have 552 miles to Idaho. Oh boy. Alright, I'll see